Hello students, I am from Loknete Venkatrao Hire Mahavidyalay, Panchavati Nasik. Myself Srimati Nikam UY. Today I am going to start chapter number 11, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers from organic chemistry. Students, in last year you have been introduced to different functional groups. The functional groups such as of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, esters, amides, cyanides, alcohols, phenols, ethers and so on. It is very simple chapter if you do it very properly, so that the next chapter aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acids will sound very easy for you. Let us start from the functional group of alcohol. What is the functional group of alcohol? That is dash OH, means hydroxyl group, or we can also say hydroxy group. This OH group, that is hydroxyl group, the functional group, it is common in both alcohols as well as in phenols. But why these both the compounds have different names? What is the exact similarity and difference in alcohol and phenol? That we going to discuss today in the chapter, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. OH is the functional group common in alcohols and phenols. Alcohols are denoted by ROH, phenols by AROH and ethers, that is ROR. Here capital R, that is the alkyl groups, and this alkyl group may be methyl, ethyl, propyl, butyl, etc. And this AR, that is the aromatic ring or the benzene ring. Benzene ring, that means in phenols OH is directly attached to benzene ring. In alcohols OH is attached to the carbon chain, and in ethers the oxygen is attached to the alkyl groups. CnH2n plus 2O is the general formula which shows either alcohol or ether. Students, you introduced the concept of isomerism in 11th standard. Isomerism means the compounds which have same molecular formula but different structural formulae. Here alcohols and ethers are the functional isomers of each other because they have same molecular formula but have different functional groups. So they are the means alcohols and ethers are the functional isomers of each other. Next is the definition of alcohols. Alcohols are the organic compounds whose molecules contains hydroxyl group, that means OH group attached to saturated carbon atom. अल्कोहोल्स म्हणजे ऑर्गॅनिक कंपाऊंड्स आहेत आणि त्याच्यामध्ये OH म्हणजेच हायड्रॉक्झिल ग्रुप इट इज अटॅच टू सॅच्युरेटेड कार्बन ॲटम. हियर इट इज द सॅच्युरेटेड कार्बन ॲटम अँड OH इज अटॅच टू this saturated carbon atom, and this carbon it is satisfy its 4 valency by the single covalent bonds. Hydroxyl group can also be present in aromatic compounds. आता प्रत्येक वेळी OH ग्रुप हा फक्त कार्बनच्या चेनलाच प्रेझेंट असेल असं नाही, तर हायड्रॉक्झिल ग्रुप म्हणजेच OH ग्रुप it may be attached to the aromatic ring or to the benzene ring in aromatic compounds. There are two types of aromatic hydroxy compounds, that is phenols, and second one is aromatic alcohols. So next is the definition of phenols. Phenols contain a hydroxyl group directly attached to carbon atom of benzene ring. आता फिनॉल्समध्ये काय असणार आहे, OH इज डायरेक्टली अटॅच टू कार्बन ॲटम ऑफ द बेन्झीन रिंग. हिअर इज द फिनॉल. In this structure, OH is directly attached to carbon atom of the benzene ring. And next, this is the structure of alpha naphthol, in which OH is attached to one of the benzene ring. Next is aromatic alcohols. When the hydroxyl group is present in the side chain of aromatic ring, the compound is called as aromatic alcohols. तर ॲरोमॅटिक अल्कोहोल्स कोणाला म्हणायचं, जेव्हा हायड्रॉक्झिल ग्रुप म्हणजेच OH ग्रुप कुठे प्रेझेंट असेल, टू द साईड चेन ऑफ ॲरोमॅटिक रिंग. सच कंपाऊंड्स आर कॉल्ड ॲज द ॲरोमॅटिक अल्कोहोल्स. फॉर एक्झाम्पल हिअर बेन्झिल अल्कोहोल, or its IUPAC name is phenyl methanol. In this compound, OH is attached to CH2 group, that means the side chain of the benzene ring. So the benzyl alcohol, it is the example of aromatic alcohols. Next important compound of this chapter, that is the ethers, which has the general formula, that is ROR. That means the oxygen, it is attached to two alkyl groups. They may be same or the different, or they may be or the oxygen atom attached to aromatic ring, or we can say to the benzene ring. So the definition of ethers. Ethers are the compounds which contain an oxygen atom bonded to two alkyl groups or two aryl groups or one alkyl and one aryl group. Ethers are organic oxides. Also, ethers are considered as anhydrides of alcohols, and which are ROR dash, ROR, ROAR or AR dash. Here ROR dash means R is alkyl groups and R dash means they are different or they may be same. Here ROAR means one is alkyl group and another is aryl group, and here AR dash means there are the presence of two aryl groups which are the different from each other. Next is the classification. The question may be asked for the 2 marks on the classification of alcohols or phenols, or maybe on ethers. So the classification of alcohols, phenols and ethers. Alcohols and phenols are classified as mono, di, tri or polyhydric compounds on the basis of 1, 2, 3 or more hydroxyl groups present on their molecules as. First, we see the classification of alcohols. On the basis of number of hydroxyl group present in a molecule. First, there is the classification of alcohols, and this classification is based on the number of hydroxyl group. म्हणजे नंबर ऑफ हायड्रॉक्झिल ग्रुप, OH ग्रुप कंपाऊंडमध्ये किती प्रेझेंट आहेत त्याच्यानुसार अल्कोहोलचं क्लासिफिकेशन केलेलं आहे. इन विच फर्स्ट इज मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल्स. नावावरूनच तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल, मोनो मीन्स सिंगल ऑर वन. That means there is the presence of only one OH group or the hydroxyl group. So the monohydric alcohols contains only one hydroxyl group present in their structure. For example, methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, methyl alcohol, that is CH3OH, in which only one hydroxyl group is present. In ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH, there is also presence of only one hydroxyl group. So These both are the examples of monohydric alcohols. Next type, that is the dihydric alcohols. नावावरूनच तुमच्या लक्षात आलं असेल, डाय means two and hydric means OH group or hydroxyl group. So there is the presence of two OH groups. Dihydric alcohols contains two hydroxyl groups situated on different carbon atoms. They are also called as diols or glycols. For example, ethylene glycol. Here is the structure of ethylene glycol in which there is the CH2 and to this CH2 two OH groups are attached. So due to the presence of two hydroxyl group, it is the example of dihydric alcohols. Next type is trihydric alcohol. Tri means three. So there is the presence of three hydroxyl groups. Trihydric alcohols contain three OH groups situated on different carbon atoms. For example, glycerin or glycol. Here is the presence of CH2, CH, CH2 and to these three carbon atoms, three hydroxyl groups, that means OH groups are present. So due to the presence of three hydroxyl group, it is the example of trihydric alcohols. Next one is polyhydric alcohols. Poly means more than three. Polyhydric alcohols contains more than three OH group situated on different carbon atoms. For example, sorbitol or its IUPAC name is hexahydric alcohol. Hexa means 6. Means here 6 hydroxyl groups are situated on different carbon atoms. Due to the presence of 6 OH group, it is the example of polyhydric alcohol. Similarly, phenols are classified as, जसं अल्कोहोलचं आपण क्लासिफिकेशन बघितलं की मोनोहायड्रिक, डायहायड्रिक, ट्रायहायड्रिक, पॉलीहायड्रिक, त्याच पद्धतीने फिनॉलसुद्धा क्लासिफाय करण्यात आलेला आहे. इन विच फर्स्ट इज मोनोहायड्रिक फिनॉल, डायहायड्रिक फिनॉल, ट्रायहायड्रिक फिनॉल. Here again mono means one, only one hydroxyl group is present, so it is the monohydric phenol. Dihydric phenol means here presence of two hydroxyl group on the situated on the two different carbon atom, it is dihydric phenol. In trihydric phenol, presence of three hydroxyl group, that means three OH groups on three different carbon atoms of the benzene ring. But again, monohydric alcohols are further classified on the basis of hybridization state of the carbon atom to which hydroxyl group is attached. आता आपण क्लासिफिकेशन अल्कोहोलचं बघितलं, त्याच्यामध्ये मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल हा पहिला टाईप होता. बट अगेन दिस मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल आर फर्दर क्लासिफाईड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ हायब्रिडायझेशन स्टेट ऑफ कार्बन ॲटम. म्हणजेच कार्बन ॲटमचं हायब्रिडायझेशन कसं आहे, म्हणजे तो sp3 आहे किंवा sp2 आहे, त्यानुसार पुन्हा मोनोहायड्रिक अल्कोहोल क्लासिफाय करण्यात आलेला आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिला टाईप आहे अल्कोहोल कंटेनिंग COH बॉन्ड. हियर C मीन्स कार्बन इज sp3 hybridized. sp3 hybridized means there is the presence of the single covalent bonds only. In these alcohols, OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom of alkyl group. These alcohols are further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols in which OH group attached to primary, secondary and tertiary carbon atoms. आता आपल्याला प्रायमरी कार्बन ॲटम, सेकंडरी कार्बन ॲटम, टर्शरी कार्बन ॲटम हे माहीत असणं आवश्यक आहे. तर प्रायमरी कार्बन ॲटम म्हणजे काय की एक कार्बन फक्त दुसऱ्या एकाच कार्बनला जेव्हा जॉईंट असेल तर त्याला म्हणायचं प्रायमरी कार्बन ॲटम. सेकंडरी कार्बन ॲटम मीन्स द कार्बन ॲटम विच इज अटॅच टू ओनली 2 different carbon atoms. Tertiary carbon atom means the carbon atom which is attached to other 3 carbon atoms. The primary alcohols. The alcohol in which carbon carrying OH group is attached to only one carbon atom. For example, CH3, CH2OH, that means ethyl alcohol. Here CH2, in this the carbon is primary because this carbon is attached to only one carbon atom, and to this primary carbon atom OH group is attached. So it is the example of primary alcohol. Secondary alcohols means the alcohols in which carbon atom carrying OH group attached to 2 different carbon atoms. For example, secondary propyl alcohol. Here CH, it is the in which carbon is secondary carbon atom because this carbon attached to 2 other carbon atoms, and to this secondary carbon atom OH group is attached, and hence secondary propyl alcohol, it is the example of secondary alcohol. Next one is tertiary alcohol. Carbon atom carrying OH group is attached to 3 different carbon atoms is called as a tertiary alcohol. Here the central carbon atom, it is the tertiary carbon atom because this carbon atom is attached to 3 other carbon atoms, and to this tertiary carbon atom OH group is attached, and the name of this compound is tertiary butyl alcohol. Next type of alcohol, that is allylic alcohol. तर allylic alcohols कशाला म्हणायचं? In these alcohols OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to carbon carbon double bond, that means to allylic carbon. द allylic alcohols कशाला म्हणायचं की याच्यामध्ये कार्बन कसा आहे sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड, म्हणजे sp3 हायब्रिडाइज कार्बन ॲटमला OH ग्रुप अटॅच असेल, पण तो कसा असेल allylic. allylic means this carbon atom it is next to the carbon carbon double bond, and when this OH group is attached to such allylic carbon, then they are called as the allylic alcohols. For example, again allylic alcohols may be primary, secondary and tertiary. Here are the examples of primary, secondary and tertiary allylic alcohols. जर आपण एक्झाम्पल बघितलं तर प्रायमरी अल्कोहोल, आता हा कार्बन आहे तो प्रायमरी कार्बन ॲटम आहे, त्याला कारण OH ग्रुप त्याला अटॅच आहे, but this carbon atom is next to the carbon carbon double bond, and this is primary, and to this primary carbon atom OH group is attached. Similarly, the secondary and tertiary allylic carbon atoms. Next one is next type benzylic alcohols. In these alcohols OH group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom next to an aromatic ring. जसं आपण allylic alcohols बघितलं की असा कार्बन ॲटम की तो sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड आहे, परंतु तो काय आहे नेक्स्ट टू द डबल बॉन्ड. आणि बेन्झिलिक कार्बन कशाला म्हणायचं? दिस इज अगेन sp3 हायब्रिडाइज्ड बट इट इज अगेन नेक्स्ट टू द ॲरोमॅटिक रिंग, म्हणजे ॲरोमॅटिक रिंगच्या नंतर येतो अशा कार्बनला आपण काय म्हणूया? बेन्झिलिक कार्बन. These benzylic alcohols may be primary, secondary and tertiary. बेन्झिलिक अल्कोहोलचे पुन्हा 3 प्रकार पडतात, प्रायमरी, सेकंडरी अँड टर्शरी. सो दिस वन इज द प्रायमरी कार्बन ॲटम and this is the sp3 hybridized because there is the presence of single covalent bonds, and this carbon atom it is next to the aromatic a ring, and to this such a type of carbon atom, that means to the primary carbon atom, OH group is attached, and it is the example of primary. This is the secondary and this one is the tertiary. Alcohols, next type is alcohols containing COH bond, but this C means carbon is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized means there is the presence of carbon-carbon double bond. In these alcohols, OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom. When the OH group is attached to carbon-carbon double bond, that means carbon-carbon double bond means to the sp2 hybridized carbon atom, and such carbon atom it is called as the vinylic carbon. These are also called as vinylic alcohols. For example, vinyl alcohol. In this, OH group is attached to sp2 hybridized carbon atom because there is the presence of carbon-carbon double bond, which one is the vinylic carbon, and to this vinylic carbon OH group is attached. So vinyl alcohol, it is the example of classification of ethers. Ethers are classified into two groups. First one is a simple or symmetrical ethers. The ethers in which both the alkyl or aryl groups attached to oxygen atom are same are called as the simple ethers. आता इथरचा तुम्हाला जनरल फॉर्म्युला माहिती आहे, डेट इज ROR, म्हणजेच ऑक्सिजनच्या दोन्ही साईडला अल्किल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट असतील किंवा अरिल ग्रुप किंवा वन अरिल आणि वन अल्किल ग्रुप प्रेझेंट असतील. बट व्हेन both the groups are same, then that means there is the presence of symmetry. Such a type of ethers are called as the symmetrical ethers. For example, dimethyl ether. Here on either side of the oxygen both methyl groups are present, that means the same groups are present, so it is the simple or symmetrical ether. Or diphenyl ether, both C6H5 groups are same. Next type is mixed or unsymmetrical ether. The ethers in which two alkyl or aryl groups attached to oxygen atom are different. Here both the groups which are present on either side of oxygen that are different, that means unsymmetrical. For example, they are denoted by ROR dash, that means R and R dash, these are the alkyl groups are different. Or ARO AR dash, that means the aryl groups both are different from each other. For example, CH3O C2H5 means ethyl methyl ether, both groups are different here. Second example, C2H5O C6H5 ethyl phenyl ether, both the groups are different.